Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking down what you will make and why people care. Pick a short series concept and sketch a storyboard, 3 beats per scene. Once decided, set your camera on a stable tripod and arrange continuous lighting so exposures don't jump. Make a 10-15 second test sequence to verify framing, focus, and timing. You should use manual exposure and a consistent white balance because consistency saves hours in editing and keeps motion smooth for viewers. Now you shoot the main sequence with a repeatable workflow. Start by choosing a frame rate, 12 FPS for a choppy charm, 24 FPS for fluid motion, and move objects in small, consistent increments. Use live view or onion skin tools to align each frame and tether to a laptop if possible to catch mistakes early. Save files into clearly labeled folders by scene and take. Once done, back up raw frames immediately and log good takes so editing is faster. Finally, you assemble and polish your episode. Import frames as an image sequence, tweak timing, and apply simple stabilization to remove jitter. Make color and exposure matches across shots, then layer sound effects and music to boost emotion. Export as H.264 1080p with a high bitrate and write a clear title, thumbnail, and description for YouTube. If things go wrong, address flicker by matching exposures and use software to flicker. If movement is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.